I want to begin by asking Ashpreet Kadial about the allegations that the Congress has made. The Congress spokespersons today, Pawan Kheda again, has come out and said that there is enough proof and more to believe that the killings are being done. In fact, the people behind the killings are those people who are associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party essentially. What is the kind of proof that the Congress have to make such a claim?
Right. So since we are starting with the proof, here's a picture of accused murderer Riaz with one of the BJP leaders, and I can show it to you here. It's a local BJP leader that one of the accused in Udaipur killing is standing with. Now, second of all, on India Today only it was reported that murderer Riaz is from BJP's minority cell, the killer in Udaipur killing, and he also happened to have attended a lot of BJP events. So I think that's prima facie enough evidence. Being a lawyer, I can tell you that. Second of all, you see, if the NIA representative was here, we would have asked him this question, that why are most of these incidents happening in non-BJP ruled states and not in BJP ruled states? And second of all, we also would have asked him that why, the NIA has not registered, rather taken suo motu cognizance of this matter of Nupur Sharma also. It should have been done away with. Nupur Sharma should have been arrested by now. She should have been behind bars. And people are questioning this. Supreme Court has questioned this, that why has she not been arrested despite so many lookout notices, so many FIRs? Is she above the law? So what if she is a spokesperson of a party? She should have been behind bars for having broken the law. And because she has not been arrested till date, it is fanning to vigilantism. We condemn all sorts of vigilantes. We condemn all sorts of vigilantism. And we also condemn what Ms. Nupur Sharma did. If she would be behind bars, probably a lot of events would have been avoided, the kind that are happening now. And second of all, we appeal to the BJP government that the investigation in Udaipur killing, Amravati killing and Nupur Sharma's case be made time-bound with a fast-track disposal of the case, and also made sure that they are given the stringent most punishment. So an example is made out of all these people who are thinking that they are above the law and they can do anything and then get away.
Before I move on, I just want to tell you that the NIA is looking into this matter. You are saying this is not good enough and there should be an independent body. But what do you really mean when you say that there should be an independent probe? Because from the state police it has now moved to the NIA. What next then?
See, number one, you're referring to Nupur Sharma's case?
Yes, I'm referring to the killings. Right. No, I'm referring to the killings, both in Udaipur and in Amravati.
Right. See, number one, I was also saying, adding this point to it, that if Nupur Sharma would also be arrested, it is good that the NIA has taken over. But, why has Nupur Sharma not been included in that? Why has the NIA not taken over Nupur Sharma's case also? Why has
that's a different question. Ashpreet Kadial, that's a different question. What I'm saying is that, now what I'm saying here is that, and unfortunately the BJP has refused to join this discussion, but the allegation the Congress has made is that this is a larger part of the BJP's conspiracy. Obviously you're hinting towards polarization, and you are saying that those who are behind the killings are associated with the BJP. The NIA is now probing the matter. Are you not happy with that?
See, I think nobody in India is happy about the fact that Nupur Sharma has still not been arrested despite having caused, so many incidents.
Yes, but Ashpreet Kadial, that's a completely different point that you are making. The question here is, and this is something that the BJP said in the past as well, that when your government was in power in Maharashtra, this incident has taken place on the 21st of June, when the Maha Vikas Aghadi government was in power. In Rajasthan, there is a Congress government. So questions are being raised about the law and order situation as well. However, you say that there is a BJP conspiracy. We'll wait to hear from the BJP.
I'll just add on to it. I have one more point to make. See, it's
quickly, please, the other guests are waiting.
Yes, it's the Honorable Supreme Court that has said, and I quote the Honorable Supreme Court, Nupur Sharma is a threat, or she has become a security threat. Or the way she has, ignited emotions in the country, that's how she has become a threat.
That's a different issue altogether. That is what the court said in its oral observation.
I want to add, I think you have...
you're deviating from the point that you're trying to make. The question that we are asking here today is whether this is a conspiracy or whether this is
that's
whether this is a revenge killing, as is being said by the BJP.